Pudding with just 2 ingredients, no eggs, gelatin, or cornstarch. Let's start by making the syrup in a pan with a cup of sugar. We'll stir until it melts. Once melted, we'll add half a cup of water. Then we'll mix it well until it thickens. When it looks like this, it's perfect. Now, let's pour all our syrup into a mold. And set it aside. In another bowl, add 2 small cups of plain yogurt and 2 small cans of condensed milk. Mix it all together thoroughly. Now we'll set this mixture aside too. Let's take the mold with our syrup. We'll spread it all around the mold. Then we'll pour all the liquid mixture into the mold. Now let's cover it with aluminum foil. Press it down to ensure it's well sealed. Place it in the air fryer without the basket. Set it for 60 minutes at 180 degrees. After this time, let our pudding cool down. Once it's cold, we'll unmold it. Run a knife around to help it release easily.